Me de Isaac Kwadwampo, obetumi afem the great ampo mbrembren. Wonu me nka mo ni ehwe too much G8. Too much G8. Mo ye too much. Na me so me ye am fire.
For any other phonom, Emma Obibia Aquaba Ede Ebatuma GH so Gano Wahala Jumedi and a prayer. Also, some for Muniaba a PSC Capa and so Mede Ebeson Mona Ebusia for a share a bra MPP ni NDC Wompoko Piemo our Parliament House and our more to Aba Ede a Speaker of Parliament and Topa a course so na ebium so Abano a call ye Edema NDC Amanyo Konam Ura and I say young Papa Alban Babrin wono and a woman you know say wono na me Speaker of Parliament no do not net ya woman sa e wo MPP fo binom elswa womu to say woman na etum edi etia eye Michael Kwe na ebusianfo nipa na woka womu ehu ebi eye yan kasa ya maame adwo asafo na chese dodo na susu say woka hu bi enema eye Michael Kwe wentimi enya eye Speaker of Parliament no na dientia na womo kasa nyina eye se ya do me kwabenya potemo ewonu no na ya maame adwo asafo ne Michael Kwe Junior na contest ewo hono ntino na ye wo ne say ye nunti anase like no person e ba no enyi no emfa emfo to the stand of say bia papa no etimi call Honorable Kennedy Japan wono ekoka say one company emfa ma ne ba no na ehun kro ne ba nsem no bebeto dwe ye buburuja na no na ma ye mame adwo asafo ababonten akyese wono soso ede na no disturb ababeto eye edwa na woka ye ne nsem no ewo my news GH reports no na wo mo de ne nsem no ebeto eye edwa na ye mame no cha wo so disappointed and ebimu susu no say ye omo betray no say wo mususu say wo numum and obeye sade no in say bia all revenge against Michael Kwe say wetimi man ne ba no ene ne be contest ye ewo ewo no minti no na ache say ebia eno eninti ne ma ne yes ana woto aba ede etia Michael Kwe senior eno na ya maame etwem a wo se enyesa na etie de biara edada ebusuafo umame kenkan ne nsem no emfa emano. I think I feel betrayed. We are all surprised about the outcome of the election, and as parliamentary group I think that recognizing ourselves to see how we will be able to carry out government businesses when the need arises is what's important. We any a yearning summer or day to a year edam. Now we be in osa eto aso ede fast a woman a year majority in parliament no and also so they will can't ede efan was say. We in the MPP are the majority in parliament. We have the former member of parliament MP who went independent and he was willingly come onto our side. And he has willingly come onto our side, and he is now a second deputy speaker of the house. No matter how slim the number are in our constitution, there is still a simple majority, and for us we have a simple majority. I think whether it was proposed by the NDC or MPP, you saw where the member of parliament sat on the day of proceeding, and he sat on the side of the MPP, and for me that is a clear indication of where his loyalty and alliance is. Moving forward, there are a number of seats that are being contested. We believe by the close of all these court cases, there will be an outcome that will give us more majority than we have. We any a year mame address for someone or D to a year age matches of Philip betrayed a word dear MPP for any been metnet and I want to saw on this age one. Now a beam so what was more when it says say dear a year MPP still now or more majority seats or parliament. In the case of saying a year for Mena MP no crowd now one more about for Speaker of Parliament in the Crapuno or it's not MPP foresight and only training loyalty our war Edema Amanyo Kono and I be able to say what second Speaker of Parliament no and also so said still now MPP or more majority war a year a honomu now ebusuan for what share my men and some day at 2 a year Adria Efa and Sunny eternity ewan so then no to other comment or once who feel so betrayed about say big Crawford and I say in Crawford Ebekasa and Sena. Osha would this or Casa and Semno. Now there was also they can't want about for Mina and Pin and also then and our drink ACF home at Fabra Tuma GH comment section like a video is not share or all the social media platform following our IG page at Tuma GH _ Facebook Tuma GH and our ABM Sunimacobin so Yasime DH ever so home. Mama Juliet Ventures a banner a year and chance of our kitchen a CC what their message or CC the Yama may our Cadena what they ever my father. Na so ye ewa abekala pass bit me so fa ne number and no atwetwe eye enkomo loan master eso ewa ha edema aban adwumayefo I will show my just say we are just sika efa controller now affordability kwado interest rate no a formal betimi na dika subum na sika wo hwehwe dia your project no wonsa etimi aka na wadi sika na wi a wo dia your project na bia na ye dansi bi na wo kosi ye aka nchense a wo de bebo dan no eso ye nuanum need roof fees so eka ehun wo mo bo ye chi edom na just say e ba nchense papa de bebo wo dan so e dia enhwehwe ba bia say need things or more extra clients and so more academic nyoma exene effort say ye dey ebo eye edan so hwehwe mo nyina so extra kwana form number then wo more edwetwe eye enkomo ekeskapa enemy that's ne ye besenehia
the major prophet kun chacha on say me catch was say bomoden na hwe too much GH on say me kan ye nyene bone pa na kase ye pe wo wi ase ya asonde nti na Adam wo hu nyame ye no nyam no wo hu ne ma bi a wo hwehwehwehwe e wo other place ne ade kat won na bomoden na be hwe too much GH be hwe na subscribe bomoden o be hwe pe na wa ye subscribe o subscribe na subscribe na o subscribe a na wo benya ne ma papa a wo pe ahwe nyame shira na
too much GH. We boy what shout out to your fans and everybody who is watching Too Much GH.
Too Much GH. Many have come and many have gone, but you are a great Kankambuka ability, worth being beheld by every optical nerves. That saith the papacy.
Keep watching Too Much GH, and you get the best of entertainment, the best of everything you want.
My name is Ohima One. Keep watching Too Much GH. It's the best.
Keep watching Too Much GH.